It's been raining for 3 days, so we're gonna be riding in the garage today. Plus, I'm gonna be showing you the spot that I hit. This is the reason why you clicked the video. Underestimated it, that's all I'm saying. I started in here about 6 a.m. It's kind of what I do every day. And before we get to that spot, and before we go to the spot, I want to show you a few tricks that I learned, mostly in the garage. I've been having good sessions in the garage. Now that I feel good, my back is good, I can do all this twist and lean over, and there's a few clips that I want to show you, and let me know what you think. I think it measures 7 by 7. I have this whole garage, but I always end up riding in this little square. But I want to try a few more things after the spot, but you got to see this spot and tell me what your thoughts are on the spot after you see the session. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think so the last time I was here when I checked the spot out, I realized that it is a big drop. Hubba itself to ride down, it's chunky, it's all brick. Check this out. Ugh. This thing's serious. Man, this thing's big. The end. If it was smooth, it would actually be fun. I'm gonna eat it, bro. If I go straight on this thing and just drop in, I'm not gonna be able to make the turn 100%. I'm gonna land in the chairs and in the water. Damn, last time I was here, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go from the top. You can't. All right, we're going halfway. Just to say we went halfway. Because there's no way I can go more than this. Whoa. If someone wants to pull up with me and do it from the top, I will buy you lunch. You know when you go somewhere without your scooter, or you're dreaming of a trick when you're home and you're not riding, and then you're like, oh, it's so possible. And then when you go to the spot or you actually try the trick, it just becomes this whole thing that's just not what you thought in the first place. That's what I did. A few more things here just because of the weather. It's not, the whole outside is wet. And I've been feeling really good in the garage just because I haven't been riding a lot as hard as I should, but now I am. So let's get straight into it. I want to do some orbit combos, like orbit into wheelies and mega spins and stuff. I haven't done that yet. Best thing about riding flat, you can have a little area somewhere inside your house or with your parents' permission and try to learn something new. I don't even know what that's called. Orbit to backwards tire tap halfway around the world or something, I don't know. Anybody in North Carolina, in the Triangle area, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, or anybody that wants to come to the area next month, not sure what date, but if you follow the YouTube channel, you'll know first. But next month, I'm gonna be holding a flat day, like a flat jam. Nothing, it's not an actual competition or a big major thing. I just want everybody to come ride flat and hang out and probably get some food and give them the scooter. I have the scooter I'm gonna be giving away, the Prodigy S9, and I'll put 4 pegs on it just to promote Flatland. And I'll be giving this away that day, most likely in the Apex area. So Apex Skate Park. I think I want to do something like a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning, but if you want to come, just letting you know. If you want to win a scooter, and we'll figure it out. But raw idea, more on that in the next week or two. I'm posting something on Instagram tomorrow, which I really hope you interact with. I'm giving away some stuff with Boost Mobile. So please go on Instagram tomorrow. I'll post another video tomorrow and tell you guys, but it's a giveaway. I'm giving you guys something cool, and when you interact with posts that I do for my sponsors, it helps me so much. The trick is so hard. I need to practice that for another 50 years. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's more of an indoor thing, filming every day. Sometimes the weather is just not what you need it to be. And that day during the hubba, it was actually drizzling. I don't know if you can see in the clip, but it was starting to rain as I was there. So it's tough, but I want to make this about no matter what your situation is, you can still learn something new. And that's kind of why I am doing every day again. To push the YouTube channel, but then also to push myself. Days that I don't have things accessible to me, skate parks, outdoors, nice weather. I mean, you can have such a good freaking day. Like this, you can have a good session. So figure it out where you are. Let me know in the comments, and I'll give you more information on the flat day, and I'll give you guys more information on the giveaway that's going up tomorrow on Instagram. Thanks for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.